scientists! Welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Have you ever seen a fireproof balloon? Don't be so amazed. Let's make a fireproof balloon in this video. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the heat and conduction activity kit. From the kit, take out the balloons, candle and the thread. From your home, you will need a matchbox. Since we are performing this activity using fire and flammable objects, always keep some water handy to prevent your surroundings from catching fire. Also, perform it under adult supervision. If you are not able to inflate balloons using your mouth, you can also use an air pump from your home. Inflate the first balloon with air. Now, tie a thread around its mouth to secure it. Now, place the candle on a table or any flat surface and light it using a matchstick. You may also take your parents' help for doing this. Remember to switch off the fan while performing the activity. Hold the air-filled balloon over the candle and observe what happens, like this. Oh, did you see? The balloon has burst. Now, take the second balloon and place its mouth on a tap. Open the tap slowly and fill the balloon with some amount of water. Don't fill the balloon too much. Remove the balloon from the tap and tie the thread around its mouth to secure it. Light the candle again and now let's hold the water-filled balloon over it. Can you see that the water balloon has not burst even after placing it on the candle flame? When we heat the balloon on the candle flame, the rubber of the balloon transfers the heat to the air or water inside it. When we compare air and water, water has a good heat absorbing capacity. This means that water heats up slowly and hence the water balloon does not burst for a long time. Water can hold or absorb more heat in comparison to air. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.